Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing obvious CPU and network strain. Quit browsers, cloud sync, and heavy apps so Bandlab gets full attention. Then switch to wired monitoring or a low-latency Bluetooth profile because wireless adds unpredictable delay. Once done, open Bandlab settings and set the sample rate to 44. 1 kHz and the buffer to 128 or 256 samples. This balances CPU load versus latency. Doing these first reduces most real-time lag and prepares you for deeper tuning. Next, fix the driver layer. On Windows, pick an ASIO driver or the ASIO 4 All wrapper. On Mac, create an aggregate or use core audio with a dedicated interface. This is crucial because drivers determine true round-trip latency. Then simplify the session. Disable heavy, sample-accurate plugins or freeze tracks to cut CPU spikes. These often introduce jitter even at low buffer sizes. Finally, lower the buffer in 32 sample steps while watching CPU meters so you reach the lowest stable setting without dropouts. To finish, measure actual round-trip delay. Enable a click track and monitor live input while recording, then calculate milliseconds. This tells you if adjustments worked. If you get clicks, pops, or dropouts, increase the buffer slightly or update the audio interface driver and firmware, because outdated drivers cause instability. If problems persist, reboot the computer and clear Bandlab's cache. Sometimes lingering processes or corrupted cache entries keep latency high. One key tip: test with a different interface to isolate hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.